How to leave multiple Facebook groups at once. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can leave multiple Facebook groups with one click at once. So for that, first of all, open Facebook and then click on these three lines of menu at the bottom right. After that, click on Settings and Privacy, and here's you have to select the settings. Now scroll down until you find the option Activity Log. Now you can see that Activity Log is here. If you cannot find Activity Log here, then just click on this search icon and type in Activity Log. So now click on Activity Log, and after clicking on Activity Log, you'll have to click on Your Facebook Activity. And now search for the option Groups. Now here you can see this is the option of groups. Now click on Manage Groups. And now these are all the groups which you have joined. So now you can just click on these groups one by one and leave them. So if you just go and search for the groups manually, like go to the search bar and write the group name and then leave, and then go back and search for another name, then click on that, then that is going to be a very long process and going to take a very long time. So from here, all the groups are at one place and you can just click on them and delete one by one, leave one by one. So that's a very easy way, and you can just leave all of them in one single go. So that was how you can leave all of the Facebook groups at once